Hey, how are you? So very basic tutorial on how to convert text in an image to a text. So if I have an image which says hello, how can I read and convert the text and put it into a text file? I'm going to show this on a Mac. So I'm not going to show this on Windows because I haven't tried it. This is on Mac. So let's see how to use it. There's a tool called tesseract. So we'll be using tesseract for this. And we have to do all this on the terminal. So let's open a fresh copy of terminal. So we have to use Homebrew. What is Homebrew? Homebrew is a tool which allows you to install other tools with ease. So it's a tool that allows you to install other tools with ease. Just like pip is there, so we have Homebrew also. How to install Homebrew? We have to write this command. If you don't have Homebrew, you have to put in this command and then it will help you install Homebrew. I'll put this command in the description so you all can get this. Since I have Homebrew, I'm not going to install it again. I'm just going to use it. So now to install tesseract, you have to do brew install tesseract, tesseract. Okay, so that's it. I have already installed tesseract. So what I'm going to do is I'm directly going to run this. Now I have a folder here, see, called demo class. Inside that I have another folder image text, inside which I have some images. Okay, so let's look at the images from bottom. So the first one we'll see is text image. So this is an image which has hello written on it. I just wrote that on pages and I took a screenshot and I got an image. So now the whole task is to convert this into a text file. I've already done that. So if you see this out.text, this has hello. Okay, let me delete this out.text and let me use tesseract and show you how to do this. So first of all, we have to navigate to the browser or to the folder which has the images to be converted. So how to navigate? First of all, see this thing I'll show you. This is in desktop. So when I go to desktop, I go to demo class and then I can go to image text. Oops, not this one. Didn't mean to open this. And then I have to go to image text and then I have all the images to be converted. So first of all, I'll navigate there. Where am I right now? If I do pwd means present working directory, I am in my username. I'm in my users folder. So my username is Apple. Okay, and now I'll do an ls. So first I'll do a cd change directory to desktop. I'll do a change directory to demo class. Since there's a space in the folder named demo class, I'm going to put a backslash space class. And then I'll do a cd to image text. That's why I didn't put a space here. I put an underscore for this folder name. Now let's do a ls. ls shows the lists out all the files in the folder image text. So this is the folder image text and these are all the files. So basically we just have to do tesseract. We have to grab the name of the image, which is text underscore img, and we have to write the file in which we have to output this. So I'm going to write again out1. Okay, so now see, out1 doesn't exist in this folder. Okay, so when I press enter, the tesseract has an error occurred. Error has occurred. So let's see. It says no such file or directory text underscore image. So maybe I have spelled it wrong, or I have not written the extension of the file text underscore img.png. So that's the extension. What is an extension? Do you know what an extension is? This .png is an extension. So every file name has an extension, meaning at the end, after the dot, there are 3 characters usually. So .png stands for portable network graphics. So it's an image file. JPG, that also is an image file. .py is a Python file. .exe is a Windows executable file which doesn't run on Mac. Okay, so what is this? Why do we have all this? This is so that the OS operating system knows how to open this file. So if there's a .png, it will open it with an image viewer. So in this case, it opens with a preview. When I double click on a .png file, it will open it with a preview. If you're using Windows, it will open it with some software that shows you images. So the extension tells the operating system, whatever operating system it is, to open the file which software should the file be opened with. If there's a .mp4, it can be opened with a video player software like QuickTime for Mac by default, or VLC, which is a very popular thing for Mac and Windows both. So mp4, .mov, which is a Mac thingy movie, and these things are all movie extensions. So that's just to give you a brief idea about extensions. Let's come back to our topic, which was, what was our topic? To basically to extract the text out of this image, hello, okay, and put it in out1. Actually out1 is there, but there is nothing now, so let's remove out1, move to trash. Now I'll again press enter, and then it has done it. If you see, out1 has been created, and out1 now has hello, same as the hello from here. Hello from here. So tesseract, what it did is it read the characters from this hello and it put it in the text file hello. So basically now I can copy paste it, edit it, whatever I want. So now that's it. Let's close that. Now I have other images which I can try and grab the text out of it. So let's look at this para.png. There is some mild splendor of the various vested night, mother of wildly working visions. Hail, I watch thy gliding. It seems like a poem. Now let's try to do that. So para.png, it's just tesseract para.png, and out. I'm just going to change the name of the file that I'm going to output to. I'm just going to write para. I'll press enter. Let's see if that works. Let's see if para.txt has been made. So I'll make this setting so that you can see the files properly. Let's look at this. So, and it has nicely read the text from this image and shown it. This is the text from this image. See? Matching. Okay. So that's perfect. Now let's try another image. Let's try this image. This is a color image which has tesseract written on it. So what is the name of that image file? It is COLOUR2. So let's tesseract that .png, and I want to output the text in color2. So it should create a text file if it works. And let's see if that has worked. It has made a text file which has, nope, this thing hasn't worked. Pass any. Now let's look at this file. In this file, it says noisy image because if you see, the text written in this image is in black and then the background is white and gray. So to read the image out, to read the text out is very challenging. So let's see if tesseract can do that. So let's do noisy.png and let's output it in noisy. It has done it. Now let's look at noisy. Now the output is this. See, noisy image to test, tesseract OCR. So let's look at noisy over here. It has the correct output, so which is very good. See, tesseract is good, has worked well over here. Now, is there any other image? Yeah, there is color 1. Last image for the day, joy of data, and if you see, the color of joy of data is gradient. So meaning from one lightish grade, lightish whatever shade to a darkish shade of blue is what I see. So let's see if tesseract can do that. Tesseract color1 dot png space color1. It has done it. So let's see the output now. It should say joy of data, and it does, so which is very good. Very nice. So later I'll test it on some more complicated images that have text, and we will see if that works. But for now, that's it. So if you like my video, like, comment, subscribe, do that thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and share my video with people, because if you think that my videos are good and I deserve more people to see it, more views, then please share my video. Thank you.